Okay, now that you've got your e-bike, aren't you ready to like accessorize it a little bit, make it your own? Let me show you what I'm doing to my Blaupunkt e-bike. I love all the really cool accessories from this really neat company I found called Bike Case. I'm going to leave a link in the description below of all the stuff that I've got, and you can check it out and personalize your e-bike the way you want to. All right, let's go. Do you carry a cell phone? So do I. And you know what? When I'm on my e-bike, I want to have my cell phone with me too. Guess what? Bike Case has 3 different options for you to carry your cell phone. Actually, there's probably more if you want to put in the basket. But let's talk about these 3. We've got one. It's a really easy thing with a bungee, and you've got some extra storage in the back for your wallet and keys, things like you got to carry, right? Here's one that's just a bungee, and they have another one that I've already got on my bike, which is see-through. You can put your phone there, touch it, and also have room for some extra storage. You know, when you have an e-bike, you might want to bring a couple tools too. So guess what? Wallet, keys, phone, and maybe even a couple tools. What a great idea. Good safety idea for your new e-bike. One of the things I really like, especially when we're going around the campgrounds and going for a really big ride, is having something to drink. So Bike Case has a couple of options for you as well here. Here's your wonderful where you can put your water bottle in. I love this, and attach it to the frame. They also have a cup holder or a can holder, which is nice. Going around the campground, just want to grab a little drink or beverage as you're going around. Pretty fantastic. I love that idea. I've got my little can holder already attached to my handlebars, and I love it. You know, next to a helmet, one of the things that you definitely want to have is a really good lock. So a lot of people have e-bikes in the campgrounds, and some people don't and would like to have one. So better safe than sorry. Always get yourself a really nice combination lock that you can chain around the frame and one of your wheels, of course, and make sure when you go places, you use your lock. I always say safety first when you're on the road. And if you haven't ridden a bike in a while, one of these things you might want to think about is getting a handlebar bike mirror so you can see behind you, especially those intersections and things happening around you. Highly suggest this one too. Okay, if you're like me and you actually use your bike to like go to the store or want to go shopping, go to a farmer's market, things like that, you're like, well, okay, this is great, but where am I going to put all this stuff? They've got a great idea for you, and I love this idea. So first things first, you put in this lovely attachment on the back, and they've got a couple of different ideas for you, okay? One is this amazing bag. It's very easy to attach. You can use like a cooler. Lots of stuff you can put in this thing. Really, really handy. Bungee straps on top. I love this idea because you can take it anywhere with you. Take it in the store if you want to use it as like a bag to go shopping with, but very easy to put on. And there you go. It Velcro straps in. Highly recommend this one. Super handy. Once again, gotta love that extra safety. Once again, I'm going to talk about shopping, maybe going to the beach, whatever you want to do. They have this amazing bag. It folds up, it zips up into a small little compartment. Take it with you, enjoy, get all the stuff that you need, and guess what? It fits in a basket. Let me show you. All right, so here's the basket. It's very easy to clamp on the bottom. As you can see, you pull this across, and it hits and connects to the back part. Super, super easy. So you put the bag in, we attach it. There we go. This goes over the sides, and you can tie it really nice and tight, but wait, there's more. Also comes with a nice bungee strap for the top. So if you've got bigger items and you want to carry them, that can go on top too. Super easy. When you're done, you get back, take the bungee strap off, take your bag out, take it in your RV, take it to your camper, whatever you're doing, and you can just go and load your groceries and load your stuff that you got, beach toys, whatever it might be. Super, super handy. I love this back basket. It's so, so nice. I highly recommend if you're gonna go anywhere and bring things with you or take things with you, I think this would be my #1 thing to get for your bike as a good accessory. Now I also have a front handlebar bag, which I really like because it's just easy. Velcro's on the front handle. I can take it off. Once again, reflective. I could go shopping with it. I could use it as a purse. I could take it and use it as like a fanny pack almost. Super, super handy. So let's say I want to go somewhere and I just take it off so I don't have any valuables in it. They go with me. So if I had to pick my top 3 accessories, oh my gosh, where do I even start? Well, #1, everybody needs a lock. So please make sure you have a lock for your e-bike. That's #1. #2, I think you do need a cell phone holder. Figure out which one meets your needs and go from there because everyone carries one. You might as well have one. #3, I'm going to go with the back basket. So the back basket, super handy. The bag is amazing to go shopping with. I love, love, love that. Now they also make a front basket. I don't have the front basket on mine. I'm just going to go with the front back basket for the time being. And the front basket actually holds onto the handlebars. And, you know, just to each their own, figure out which one you like. I'm going to leave a link in the description below of all these really cool things. Bike Case specifically makes items for the Blaupunk e-bike. Now, I'm not saying they can't work on other e-bikes, but I know for a fact they work on this one, and I'm very happy about this. Everyone I've talked to who's happened to get one of these has loved them. The German engineering and design is just perfect. So, been loving my bike. I think if you want to get one, I would highly consider getting a Blaupunk. If you haven't got one yet, take a look around, do your research, do what you need to do. I do offer a little discount. You know, I like to offer all my friends and family discounts, and you are definitely friends on the Adventure Crew. So I'll leave that link in the description as well. So just remember, whatever you do, safety first and enjoy the ride. Let's go. Are you ready to join the Adventure Crew? Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button and that bell to get notified. I'm going to send you all sorts of really cool things. If you want to hear about all the discounts and all the behind the scenes stuff, go on over to my website, check it out. Go to charliegraceadventures.com. You'll find really interesting things from RV accessories, travel must-haves, and all the latest on the RV inside scoop. Really cool campground ideas too. So until next week, just remember, every day is an adventure. By the way, have I told you I haven't gone biking in like 25 years? This is my first time going biking in a really long time. I'm digging it and I'm loving this product. So I've had this bike since, oh my gosh, let's see, July, August of this year. So almost 6 months, and I've been going everywhere with it. So let me just say, I'm pretty hard on it. I've been like running in the gravel and on the roads and dirt and grass and everything else. So far so good, guys. Really, really, really love it. Great job, sturdy, holding up, and easy for, you know, a chick like me to travel across the country and bring it with her everywhere. Did I mention Bike Case is the company? By the way, love those guys too. I'm really impressed with all their products. I was given a bunch of different products to test and review. Every single one has been very durable, very well made. I like the quality and craftsmanship. I think it's been a win-win on every single thing they've sent me, and I would tell you if I didn't think so. So, great job, guys.